Go with me, Douglas. Put that on the table.
What?
That's mine.
Are you not going to pull up now? Huh? Are you not going to pull up now? Huh? Say, whoa.
Don't ever change this car.
Here you go. Get it. Get a girl. Get a girl. What are you doing? Well, look, you can stand up now. Why can't you stand up, pull up on the table? Hey. Hey.